As I opened my eyes this morning, I realized that life still goes on. But lately, my life has no meaning because of someone that's gone. A life that ended too early made my world fall apart. And now I'm left here without you, with sadness and pain in my heart. Gone too soon, you had left me. You took the stars and the moon. The sun doesn't shine quite like it used to, because you were gone too soon. I put on a brave face for others. I try to be strong amongst friends, but I'm still thinking about you. As yet another day ends. I know this hurt I am feeling will never get better again. You have left such an emptiness, now filled with sorrow and pain. I cry when I think about you. I cry for you to be near. I cry when I see your picture. I cry because you're not here. Gone too soon were the good times. It's something like bursting a balloon. For 1 minute, it's there before you, and the next, it's gone too soon.